My name is Shakey Webster. I'm affectionately known as Auntie Shakey. I tell people all the time that I'm a professional gold digger, and I help other gold diggers find their perfect sir through stocks, insurance, and real estate. Today, I'm gonna be talking to you all about living tax-free, okay? But not just living tax-free, but also retiring tax-free. To live tax-free just basically means that when it comes time for retirement, that I don't have to worry about taxes being taken out of my income, okay? So for example, you've heard of 401k. So with the 401k that usually a lot of people have with their corporations, that money is not tax-free in retirement, okay? Because it's a tax-deferred program, okay? Which means that the taxes don't come out until I'm ready to retire. That could be a lot for people that are, let's just say, about 67 years old and they retire at age, they retire at age 67, they have $1 million, right? Taxes will go up. Okay, the national debt is extremely high. And so because it's so high, someone has to pay for that. The solution to that is a strategy where you can live tax-free in retirement by putting your money into other products, like for example, a Roth, okay, or life insurance. And a lot of people are like, life insurance for retirement? Absolutely. So there's these things called cash value life insurance, okay? Cash value life insurance are structured in such a way, especially if they're funded properly, okay, where at the time of retirement, the money gets taken out tax-free, it grows inside of the policy tax-free, and it's also transferred to your family tax-free after death. Some of the biggest myths that people have around 401k as well as around life insurance is this, okay? First, let's start with 401k, okay? 401k, while I am not against 401k, okay, 401ks come in play when interest rates are really low, right? I always tell people diversify, right? We want to diversify our savings. We want to diversify, our investments. We can also diversify our tax strategies, okay? So that's basically what a 401k does, allows you to diversify your tax strategies. When you have low interest rates happening, being able to pull out a 401k is fine, right? But the only thing about a 401k is that they dictate to you when you can actually take the money out and how quickly you can take it out, okay? You can't take it out before 59 and a half, okay? And also you have to use it by like age 70 or you get penalized 50%, which is huge. However, with life insurance, okay, you can take that money, your money is liquid, okay? You get a good rate of return and it's not in the market. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, if I have a life insurance, then isn't the life insurance going to eat up my retirement? No, that's a myth, okay? Again, if you have a policy that's structured correctly, then you'll have the least amount of life insurance so that you can have the max amount of cash accumulation. So you're not paying a lot of money at all for life insurance. So that's the reason why you need to make sure you get with a professional that can structure these policies for you correctly. Around the Roth IRA, I would just say this. It's a great product because of the fact that you're putting pre-tax dollars inside of it. The only thing is if you make too much money, okay, then a Roth IRA isn't for you. And also you're limited to the amount of money that you can actually put into the policy per year. But the thing with life insurance is that you can put in $1 million into a life insurance product if you want to, and there be absolutely no problems. The 3 biggest mistakes people make with living a tax-free retirement, or not living one, period, okay? That's probably the first one, not actually preparing. So here's the thing about living tax-free and getting into a strategy like life insurance. A 401k it's extremely disciplined. You don't have to be a disciplined person, right, to participate in 401k. It automatically comes out of your checking account. Well, not really even your checking account, but out of your pay stub, right? The employer just takes it right out. However, with life insurance, you have to be a little bit more disciplined. These are already taxed dollars, so you now have to pay a premium to an insurance company, right? And unfortunately, some of us are not disciplined with our money, okay? So that's one of the things that I would say is that you need to make sure you're disciplined. Secondly, not starting soon enough. Listen, I understand young people, they think they got their whole life to live, okay? And it's like, oh, I won't retire ever. No, matter of fact, I have all my life to do this. And then all of a sudden, one day I'm going to be really rich. And I don't have to plan to be rich, right? Some young people think like that. But start early. The earlier you start, the wealthier you can be in retirement to really help you live a tax-free retirement. Get investments, right? Remember, I mentioned that I help people with their perfect SIR, which is stocks, insurance, real estate. Listen, all wealthy people participate in the market, okay? In the stock market. Get you some good, solid stocks, you know? Find you some stocks are long-term investments. And lastly, get you some real estate, okay? Real estate is a great tool to use for retiring. Real estate creates some of the best passive income in retirement age that a lot of things just can't do. There's so many different ways that you can go into the real estate market without thinking, okay, you don't have to be a fix and flipper, okay? Somebody's like, I don't want to do that. I see the show, I don't want to do it, okay? Because the concrete might, have a big crack and now I got to fix it, okay? You don't have to just do that in real estate. You can do a buy and hold, right? Buy it, but then somebody's like, I don't want tenants. I don't want the hassle. I get it because I don't either. But you can also be a landowner. You can do land deals. And also on top of that, how about be a hard money lender? You know people want to invest in real estate, right? If you know they want to invest in real estate, they got to get the money from somewhere, right? Why not have them get the money from you? Now you're making money off of the investor that needs the money anyway. So you're helping in the market. And guess what you're going to use that with? You're going to use your life insurance plan to do that. If they don't pay me back, I get the property. But if they do pay me back, I just earned 15% off of that money over here because I charged them 15% interest. But because I took that money that I loaned them from my life insurance policy, the money in my life insurance policy is still earning money over here. Listen, I'm not trying to go over nobody's head, but the math right here is mathing, okay? There are many different ways that you can structure yourself to have a really, really nice tax-free retirement. The biggest mistakes people make with the SIR method, obtaining stocks, insurance, real estate, is this, okay? Which is really important, is not getting a coach. A lot of people skate over the fact, and honestly, they go to YouTube a lot of times with having YouTube educate them, right? There's great content on YouTube, don't get me wrong, but why not fast track what it is that you do by hiring a coach? They can sit there and they can tell you, okay, this is what you should do here. I've already done the research in this stock, right? Also, not leveraging themselves, okay? This is real big when it comes to stocks. You want to be able to have something that allows you to leverage your money and hedge your money, okay? Those are keys and things that you learn from a coach. If you want to reach me, I could be found on TikTok, Instagram, all at Auntie Shakey, A-U-N-T-Y, Shakey, S-H-A-K-E-Y.
The Convo, your home for conversations on Black entrepreneurship and wealth, available on your favorite platforms.